Excellent.
And I know it's time to read again. Sam, at, sat, on,
Mat.
mat.
Good girl.
What are you trying to take a picture of?
Because you guys are so cute.
Upstairs or downstairs?
Mat, sat.
Excellent. You did it.
At, sat. D,
Not D, the end.
the end. Good.
Good job, guys.
Let's read another book. The red ones are easy, and look. Yeah. Soon you're gonna be on the hardest book. I know. The vet. I read the green books are hard. Why? Because they're just hard. I made this all by myself.
You did a great job. You want to try one more?
Maybe the title? Sam. That's how Sam. S-A-M. Sam. And cat.
Look at the words, Lulu.
Mat.
Sam, show her each letter and how it sounds again. Good girl, cat. Sam, I think you just took her chair. Your student got pushed out. Okay, look.